This is the moment a giant octopus attacks a small fishing vessel just off the coast of Florida. The octopus is so massive that it completely disorients the boat, and the crew are left terrified for their lives as they scream in unison. The water around them churns and boils as the giant tentacle strikes the boat, knocking one unlucky fisherman right into the water. The other clings to the boat for dear life as the octopus continues to attack. Its massive suckers can be seen wrapping around the hull of the boat, pulling it under the surface. The water turns a dark, eerie blue as the light fades and the giant octopus pulls the boat down into the depths. If you like this, then check out my channel for more videos just like this one.